Well, hello guys, welcome back to the Bench of Gilly. Today's March 7th, 23. We're just going to be doing a channel update. So, for reviews that have been following me, you guys know I've been working on a huge monster kit. The SU-27 Flanker C. Quite a few volumes into the build. So we'll give you a quick little glance of how things are looking here. See, we got the cockpit painted up. We're going to be adding details to that today. So watch out for that video coming up. Air intakes are all done up, ready to be glued down, and that won't happen until we finish the top part of the cockpit here in the fuselage. Other than that, everything else is looking good. Everything's buttoned up on the bottom. Same thing with top. And that's how the jet's going so far. If you want to follow along, check out my videos on YouTube. And other things I've been doing, I'm actually building a M34 tactical truck from Revell, 1/35 scale. Here shows she looks right now. Very little weathering done except for airbrushing. Oh yeah, it's not glued. I'm not gluing it down, so. Next we're just going to be doing some little bit of weathering, and then that's about it. We'll call her done. Nice little kit by Revell. Went together pretty good. So that's the M34 tractor. Another thing I'm working on here is a M32 recovery vehicle from Italy. There you go, everything's good. Just working on the weathering. All the rigging and everything moves. Sorry, that's not even supposed to be there. I didn't even glue that down yet. Yeah, everything's there. This actually sits over here, so yeah. It's not glued down yet, so don't worry. But other than that, that's as far as we got so far. I'll be finishing this up this week. Yeah. So actually it was a pretty good kit. Went together pretty good. I like to get my hands on a new there's a newer model kit out there with this particular subject. But do you think I can remember it? No. And all the other things I'm working on are practically done. So, one more thing I'm working on here is I've done a face group build. It's called the NASCAR group build. It runs throughout the whole season. Started in February 5th. Gonna run all the way to November. So that's the whole NASCAR season. Already done up a couple. You guys see my NASCAR stash. And for the beginning of the thing, I'll be doing Dale Earnhardt Jr. number 8 Budweiser Chevette. Everything's all done, cleaned up, ready to go. Just got to start priming and painting. So again, that's the NASCAR group build. this on Facebook. Also running with the theme. Well, we'll get back to that in a second. Another one of my whips. I'm working on my Warhammer Chaos Warriors. Slaves to Darkness. And see here, I got a few done up already. Well, started the painting process. You got their base coat down. We got a little bit of shiny chrome going on. I'm far from done. Like, there's still so much more to go. So I'm working on those as well. And for my stash ads, I got my first J.R. Salvino Next Generation NASCAR kits. I got a little video coming for that one. So, not bad. My Chase Elliott got lost in the mail somewhere. So I'm still waiting for that to come in. I think I got ghosted on that one. Oh well. It wasn't from them. I got it from a different hobby shop dealer. Anywho, this is my Joey Logano one. Stay tuned for our open the box for that one. And also from my stash ads, I got a nice order from Icky Sticky. That's ickysticky.com.au. I got a video on that out there already, so if you guys want to go check it out, it's up on YouTube. And last but not least, after I'm done my big jet, I'm going to be doing a tank video. And with that being said, I'll let you guys on here, on Facebook, and in YouTube, you guys can vote for what tank you want me to do next. Here's the Bergpanzer II. It's a recovery vehicle. This one's made by Tacom. It's 1/35 scale. You got some options here. And here's the part call out. So that's tank number 1. Sticking to my Canadian roots, here we got a Canadian main battle tank, the Leopard C2 Maxes with dozer blade by Ming. There you go, you guys can pause that and then have a little history on it. So that's tank number 2, Canadian Leopard C2 Maximus with blade. And last but not least, let's get into the Tiger theme. But instead of doing the other one that's out there, I'm going to do an actual legend of a kit. This is a Dragon Tiger 1 early production, Whitman's Commander Tiger. This also comes with all the commanders, with all the tank drivers. There you go. I can do in a whitewash or just a regular Normandy sheen. Here's the part counts. They do an awesome freaking depiction of all the pieces in the kit. You get the DS track, which I'll more than likely be switching out for the frills. And this one is tank number 3, so comes with PE parts, of course. And that's tank number 3. So comments. You can vote for tank 1, tank 2, or tank 3, whichever one you want me to do next in the video. Other than that, this is a channel update for March 7th, 2023. Catch you guys later.